New updates to A2Z Drone Delivery's winch system enhance safety and expand capabilities. A2Z Drone Delivery Incorporated, a leader in commercial drone delivery solutions, announced the rollout of new safety features and hardware enhancements for their RDS-2 commercial drone delivery winch. These updates, which are effective immediately, aim to support the broader adoption of drone deliveries, particularly for operations that extend beyond visual line of sight. The Torrance, California-based company has introduced several safety improvements that are now standard with all new RDS-2 winches. For existing customers, these features can be added through a firmware update. This update includes enhancements such as entanglement autodetection, which allows the drone winch to autonomously respond to tether entanglements by abandoning the tether, thus safeguarding the drone. Additional updates include a system that confirms the weight of payloads to prevent unsafe flying conditions when loads exceed the 5 kg pickup limit, and a tether life cycle alert system to inform operators when the winch's tether needs replacement. As customers around the world continue to expand their drone delivery operations, more and more are seeking out local regulatory approvals to operate autonomous beyond visual line of sight missions. The new safety features we are rolling out in this latest firmware update enable them to demonstrate to regulators that commercial drone delivery operations continue to become safer as the tools of the trade evolve, said Aaron Zhang, CEO and co-founder of A2Z Drone Delivery. The company has also introduced new hardware accessories, including a weatherproof cover for the RDS-2 winch and a new auto-releasing bag hook. These additions are aimed at expanding the utility of the RDS-2 winch across various operational environments and increasing the types of payloads that can be delivered. A2Z Drone Delivery is known for its patented delivery systems that are integrated with purpose-built delivery drones such as the RDS-D Longtail and the RDS-X Pelican. The company's innovations are aimed at diversifying the capabilities of drone deliveries for a range of applications, including logistics, search and rescue operations, medical deliveries, and environmental data collection.